Sublime played in Las Vegas 2 nights ago.
Really?
New Sublime.
With Rome?
With Rome.
I've seen them 3 times, by the way. Early in the morning, light rising to the street. Light me up that cigarette, and I'll strap shoes on my feet. So, got to find a reason things went wrong. Got to find the reason why my money's all gone. So, I got me a boxer, and I can still get high. And I can play the guitar like a motherfucking riot. Life's too short, so love for what you got, cause you might get run over or you might get shot. Never had to battle with my bulletproof vest. Never start no static, I just get it off my chest. Take a small example, taking it from me. Take all of your money, give it off to charity. It is what I got, it's within my reach. The stale smell coming straight from Long Beach. It comes back to you, you'll probably get what you deserve. Try and test that, you'll probably get served. Love's what I got, don't start a riot. You feel it when the dance gets hot, hot. Love is what I got. So remember that, said love is what I got. I don't cry when Tech 9 runs away. I don't get angry at the bills I have to pay. I don't get angry when my mama smokes pot. It's the bottle that goes right to the rock. So fuck it or fight it, it's all the same. Living with the Tech and Nina's the only way to stay sane. Not for loving, come back to me. Love is what I got. Said remember that, I said love is what I got.